Here's an absolute wow for Easter, and so simple to make with all colorful ingredients found at Bulk Barn. To put them together, you'll need these ingredients, plus a large piping bag with quarter-inch star tip, a small piping bag with small round tip, and couplers. Start by spreading icing on top of your cupcakes. Use the large piping bag filled with icing to pipe a nest on top of each cupcake. Then coat by sprinkling rainbow coconut to get the full nest effect. Place 3 mini or malted eggs in the nest. Now let's prepare your bird using a panned egg for the body. With the small piping bag, add a little icing to help hold the silver draggies you attach as eyes. Then pipe a little icing for the beak and add a trimmed candy corn. The final step, just place your bird in the nest with the eggs. At Bulk Barn, we work hard to make it easy for you to entertain with flair.